garden, but our president, he told us that it is Sunflower Art 1.0. So with that, let me share with you the reason behind why we have the sunflower art, and of course as a garden that helps us to bring the love of MMSU to its community. You know, there's a symbol, and I know our president will expound further, but with regards to why we're planting this in this particular area, if you notice, we have this particular place as the rice paddy area when it is rainy season. But this time, we will make it a point that it becomes a sunflower art and garden that would look at the different activities and symbolize what MMSU is all about as part of its gift to its graduates, its stakeholders, partners, clients, and the whole community. As we move to our 50th foundation anniversary, Mariano Marcos State University stands tall to the role in global education, research, and community engagement. Over the years, MMSU, through its management, stakeholders, alumni, clientele, and community, ensure that we have the colors green and gold in our hearts, carrying the rich symbolism, both internationally, institutionally, and personally. Green often symbolizes growth, learning, vitality, and service. It reflects the transformation that takes place during one's years in the university. And for this case, it is our graduates. They are all excited to see what is in store for them as they fulfill their dreams. The transformation and the cultivation of knowledge, character, and a commitment to community development, especially fitting for an institution with strong roots in agriculture, science, and nation building. The gold traditionally represents excellence, achievement, honor, and success. That's why you will note our sunflower art and garden has this succeed word in it. But please, when you will take photos, please include the hashtag succeed and the hashtag sunflower art. With that, it signifies the rewards of perseverance, academic accomplishments, and bright opportunities that await graduates beyond the university gates. The Sunflower Garden and Art 1.0 is the gift of MMSU to its graduates and community members this year through its commitment, dedication, and work towards excellence. Together, green and gold can be interpreted as growth crowned with excellence. Or more poetically, from the fertile fields of learning, which is green, emerges the gold of achievement. For an MMSU graduate, wearing green and gold may symbolize a person who has not only acquired knowledge, but also transformed into meaningful accomplishment while remaining grounded in service and growth. The concise graduation quote, inspired by the colors, the cloth in green for gold, adorned in gold for excellence. An MMSU graduate carries both the promise to grow and the responsibility to shine. May the gift be a testimony of our brand of excellence now and the coming years. Let us celebrate and enjoy, feel and take pictures to capture moments and memories. And to accompany this, we are also launching the music behind our sunflower art and garden. Good morning.